Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to the Brainy Bugs. Today we learn a new letter, the letter D. Here is a big letter D and small letter D. Let's learn how to write the letter D. First we draw a standing line. Then we draw a curve. Top to bottom make a curve. This is a big letter D. First we draw a standing line. Then we draw a curve middle to bottom on the left side of the line. Small letter D. Let's write it together. First, we draw a standing line top to bottom. Then we make a curve top to bottom. This is a big letter D. Now we write a standing line top to bottom and make a curve on the left side of the line middle to bottom. This is a small letter D. Wow, that's easy, right? You know what's the sound of D? D sound is D. D. Good, you learned the sound of D. 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 Let's learn some words. D is for drum. D is for dog. D is for duck. And D is for dolphin. Don't forget to practice the letter D at home. Before you go, tap the like button and subscribe the Brainy Bugs. See you in the next video where we learn the letter E.